Hey there, awesome viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of procurement, but don't worry, we'll keep it fun and upbeat. Picture this, you're the director of engineering in a fast-growing startup, and you're super stoked about building cool stuff and innovating. But, here comes the tedious procurement process, sucking away your time and energy. Well, fear not, because we've got the ultimate solution to streamline the whole shebang. Alright, first things first, let's get to know this Procure-to-Pay thingy. Think of it as the superhero of procurement, connecting the buying process from purchase requisition to payment. It's like the magical bridge between your procurement and finance departments, offering a clear view of the entire process. So, how does this heroic peer-to-peer process work its magic? Here's a quick rundown for ya. When we start with a purchase requisition, a formal request for what you need. The big bosses give it a thumbs up or down, or maybe a let's tweak this a bit and voila, approval done. Time for the purchase order. Your procurement team sends it to the chosen supplier, and once they accept it, bam, it's a done deal. The goodies arrive at your doorstep, and you give them a quick quality check. All good? Great. Now, the seller sends you the invoice, and you double check it against the order and receipt. Accuracy is key. Finally, it's time to pay up. Okay, so now that we know how awesome peer-to-peer can be, let's tackle the challenges. One biggie is keeping procurement and account payable in sync. When they're not BFFs, it leads to delays and maverick spending. Not cool. Another roadblock might be the we've always done it this way. Going digital might raise a few eyebrows, but fear not. We'll overcome this together. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. The benefits of optimizing your procurement process are out of this world. For starters, say goodbye to those endless paperwork hours and hello to speedy, accurate results. And hey, ever worried about unnecessary expenses? With the right software, you'll have tight control over your budget and avoid those pesky disruptions that can throw your projects off track. So, you're sold on the idea, but how do we make this magic happen? Easy peasy. Step 1. Conduct a peer-to-peer audit to see where you stand. Step 2. Work on those areas that need some TLC. Step 3. Automation, baby. Let's let technology handle the heavy lifting. Boom. There you have it, folks, a streamlined procurement process that's both efficient and cost-effective. And to top it all off, we've got an amazing procurement software, ControlHub, to make it all happen. So go ahead, embrace the power of peer-to-peer optimization, and free up your time to do what you love most, engineering cool innovations and bringing dreams to life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow superheroes. Until next time, keep smiling, stay positive, and keep those great ideas flowing.